United Therapeutics announced their earnings today, and the stock is trading lower. I wanted to take a look at their announcement, get to the new financial data they released, see how the business is going, see if the business continues to grow, and update my analysis and my valuation of United Therapeutics. United Therapeutics is a biotech company. They've been very successful. They're a smaller cap and they're really innovative and, again, very successful in providing drugs and pharmaceuticals that are really helping a lot of people. Their growth has been really good, above 20%. In fact, this past year, 24% revenue growth, which is really good. Overall, they continue to expand their business, and they're doing it two ways: is their existing drugs, as well as they have a drug that is going into the final stages of FDA approval. And that looks good that they're going to have one more drug in their portfolio. When I look at the revenue growth was excellent, but what really impressed me is that their free cash flow is growing faster than revenue. Here is the cash from operations for the last 3 years. It went from 800 million to almost a billion to now it's north of 1.3 billion. And their plant, property, and equipment, CapEx, hasn't gone up in the same proportion. So the level of free cash they produced in 2024 is higher than what I expected. All that's good news for me. When I value United Therapeutics based on the current value of their cash flows, I get to a 99% discount. That's a huge discount. And it's really because they're just generating very, very high free cash flows. And when I value them based on earnings per share, I get a 57% discount. Combined, and I put more weight in the free cash flow method, it's an 85% discount on this company. This is a high growth company clicking on all cylinders, generating great growth, putting more drugs on the market. They have one in the pipeline that is coming up, and their free cash flows are just tremendous. This is a really good acquisition target. And overall, I'm really glad I'm invested in United Therapeutics. It is a buy for me, and I'll continue to add shares given that the stock did go down about 10% today. United Therapeutics is a $14.5 billion market cap company. Its revenues are a little under $3 billion. So investors are paying close to 5 times revenue for the company. This is a high growth business, so I think that's equitable. Their forward P is really going to drop to 13. I have to search pretty far and wide to find stocks that are growing more than 20% top line growth, profit, and free cash flow, and have a PE of 13. So that looks really good. Analysts believe that the company's a buy and they think it's discounted. Over the 5-year, this has certainly been a winner, and it's actually hitting a plateau. You can see this plateau here, and I'm not quite understanding that what the market's doing. It's selling off the stock, but I think the fundamentals look great. The business is really working. So I'm going to buy more shares. When I look at what analysts have to say about the company, there is a dispersion on opinions. 12 analysts cover it. And one analyst agrees with me that the stock is really discounted. We're probably in the same neighborhood with this stock target or price target of $600. And some think it's priced a little bit expensive, but overall, there's a 19.5% discount on the stock. The company is expected to continue to grow, but their growth is supposed to slow down. Now, I would think that they're going to surprise to the upside here. I think their drugs are going to continue to be in demand, and they do have that additional drug that's in the pipeline. So I would not be surprised if they surprise to the upside here. Earnings per share are going to expand nicely. So that looks good. So I think the analysts and I agree it's a good buy. It's got a good price. And we're now going into, I think, a period of time when acquisitions are going to be more typical. And I think United Therapeutics most definitely is a good acquisition target for bigger businesses that can come in and buy this $15 billion market cap company and put it as part of their portfolio. And that's also out there. So overall, I think United Therapeutics is a buy for me. I think it provides a really nice discount, and I'm glad I'm an investor. So that's my video on United Therapeutics. I'd love to get your thoughts on the company. If you're an investor, please share your thoughts, or if not, share your thoughts on what you think the company is all about. So thank you for watching, and good luck investing.